Hi everyone!
Hi guys, hi.
Today we'd like to chat to you about the role of the Wolsey Hall homeschool parent.
Over the last 18 months or so we've figured out about 6 or so musts that we'd like to share with you guys, and we'll run through them now.
You will be your child's first port of call when things are tough, especially in the early days.
They will look to you for support as they navigate the path to becoming confident, independent learners. There will be times when motivation is low, topics may be challenging, and distractions can crop up. And it's at these times that your child will come to you for encouragement. You will play a much more active part in your child's education.
They will involve you in topics, share thoughts and ask for feedback, advice and assistance. But most of all, have fun learning together.